Everyone, please keep your rough copy and pencil along with you to note down your lecture. So everyone is here.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to mute all your mics. I'm again telling you, if you want to ask any question, and don't close your cameras. Everyone, please keep your cameras open.
Okay.
Miss, I don't have camera.
Everyone, please keep your cameras
Miss, I,
open.
Miss, I don't have camera.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Who do not have camera?
Teacher, I.
Yeah, just tell me your name now.
Miss Rafe.
Rafe. Okay, Rafe.
Ramesh. Hello, Daddy.
So
Hello.
Farhan, why your camera is closed? Keep your camera open.
म्यूट कर दो सबको.
Okay, so I'm going to mute your mics. Okay, so today our topic is about structure of seed. Write down the heading, everyone, structure of seed. Today our topic is about structure of seed. Everyone write down the topic, structure of seed. So I am going to share screen with you class. If you are not able to see screen, so please let me know in chat box. Okay? Now, we are going to start our topic. Seed. Structure of a seed. Structure of a seed. Again, I am telling you class, if you are not able to see screen or hear my voice, please let me know in chat box. Okay? Don't waste your time. So, start our topic, structure of seed. Okay? Seeds. What are seeds? Seeds are very important as they grow to produce a new plant. We all know very well about it. If we want to grow new plant, so we have to need seed to grow a new plant. Okay, class? Okay. So, seeds mainly consist of three parts. Seeds have three main parts: seed coat, endosperm or cotyledon. Seed coat, number two is endosperms are also called cotyledons, and the third part is embryo. Okay, the third part is embryo. I am telling you again. Seeds mainly consist of three parts: seed coat, endosperm or cotyledon, and embryo. So first we discuss about seed coat. That what is seed coat? Seed coat. Seed is covered by a seed coat. This is hard outer covering of the seed, which protects the embryo from harsh conditions and saves the seed from drying up. Okay. Okay, beta. Again, I am telling you. Seed coat. See in this picture, you can see that we have an outer covering along the seeds that will protect the seed from harsh conditions and save the seed from drying out. Okay. Next is, for example, almonds. We take example of almond seed. Almonds are seeds protected by hard seed coat. Almonds are protected by hard seed coat. Almonds are protected by hard seed coat. When you crack open it, the fleshy almonds come out. Yes, just let me know. Please unmute your mics and let me know if not able to hear my voice.
मिस
Unmute all your mics, class.
मिस आप शुरू से बता दें
Yes, class.
आप शुरू से बता दें
Now you are able to hear me.
यस
Yes.
So why you are messaging me, beta? Why voice is so low?
मैं सामना कर रही है.
पूरा नहीं हुआ
Now
मिस पूरा नहीं हुआ
आप मेरी आवाज ठीक आ रही है आप लोगों को?
मिस आप शुरू से बता
आप मेरी आवाज ठीक आ रही है आप लोगों को?
यस मिस
और आप लोगों को स्क्रीन शेयर दिख रही है? आप लोगों को स्लाइड दिख रही है?
नो
No.
आप लोगों को स्लाइड नहीं दिख रही है?
नहीं.
Okay, I am again going to sharing the slide. I am again going to sharing the slide. Just let me know आप लोगों को स्लाइड दिख रही है या नहीं दिख रही? Okay?
No, miss.
बस मैंने तो थोड़ी सी लिखी है
Just wait.
मिस दिख रही है.
दिख रही है?
पता है क्या मोबाइल लेके आओ
Now you are able to see slides.
Yes.
Everyone is able to see your slides.
Yes.
So okay. Just mute all your mics, class. Hurry up. All your mics should be muted.
जो मेरा सीट वाला तो हो गया
All your mics should be muted. All your mics should be muted.
मिस आप एल्बम वाला जो वापस दिखा सकती हैं
कौन सा वाला?
एलमंड वाला एलमंड
मैं अगेन दोबारा से रिपीट कर रही हूँ सारे पॉइंट. फ्रॉम सी. आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सी. ओके. Seed coat. That what is seed coat? Seed is covered by a seed coat. Everyone, please mute your mics. So, from seed coat. Seed coat is covered by a seed coat. This is hard outer covering of the seed, which protects the embryo from harsh conditions and saves the seed from drying out. Okay. Example is almonds are seeds protected by hard seed. Okay. Almonds have a hard seed coating. When you crack open it, जब आप इसको open करते हैं, you can see that a fleshy almonds come out. In this picture, you can see that there is the outer covering of almonds. When you crack open it, a fleshy element come out. Okay, so this is the example of seed coat. We have so many examples of seed coat like peanut. Peanut have outer covering, and inside the peanut and inside the seed coat of peanut, we have peanuts inside it. Okay, which protects it from harsh conditions. Next, next part is endosperm or cotyledon. Endosperm or cotyledon. See, this is the endosperm. We also called it cotyledons. Okay, endosperms occupies a maximum part of a seed. Endosperms occupies a maximum part of a seed. Okay, it stores food from the baby plant. Means when the plant is on the stage to grow, they store food from it. Okay, the baby plant uses this food till it grows its own roots and leaves. मीन्स जब प्लांट पूरी तरह से ग्रो नहीं होता और जब तक वो उसकी अपनी रूट्स और लीव्स नहीं बन जाते, तब तक वो उस बेबी प्लांट से फूड गेट करता है. ठीक है. वी ऑल्सो ईट एंडोस्पर्म्स ऑफ मैनी सीड्स लाइक ऑल नट्स. हमारे पास जितने भी नट्स हैं, ये तमाम हमारे पास क्या है, एंडोस्पर्म्स हैं. ठीक है. विच आर and all the nuts are the rich source of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay, all the endosperms are the rich source of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Now next is examples like peanuts, walnuts. These all are the nuts. We have so many nuts, but there are few examples which are the rich source of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals also. Okay. Now next and last part is embryo. See, this is embryo. You can see that in picture, the leaf-like structure. This is called embryo. Embryo has everything that a seed needs to grow into a new plant. एम्ब्रियो में वो सब कुछ है जो एक न्यू प्लांट, जो एक सीड को न्यू प्लांट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, वो तमाम चीज़ें किसमें प्रेजेंट है, हमारे पास एम्ब्रियो में प्रेजेंट है. तो एम्ब्रियो इज एवरीथिंग दैट अ सीड नीड्स टू ग्रो इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज embryo has three main parts. Look into this. Look at three main parts. Number one is epicotyle. See, epicotyle is also called hypocotyle. Epicotyle is also called hypocotyle. Okay. See, epicotyle is also called hypocotyle. The next part is radicle. This green part is called radicle, and radicle is also called primary root. Radicle is also called primary root. Okay, and the last part is cotyledon. I told you before that endosperms and cotyledon, and cotyledon is also called endosperms, and endosperms, cotyledons and endosperms, these three are the main parts of the embryo. These three: epicotyle, radicle and cotyledon. Radicle is also called primary root and cotyledon is also called endosperms. Epicotyle is also called hypocotyle. Clear? Next is, at the seeds growing, radicle produces the first root. जब सीड ग्रो करना स्टार्ट करता है तो रेडिकल क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? फर्स्ट रूट. दिस इज कॉल्ड प्राइमरी रूट. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल्ड इट प्राइमरी रूट. ओके. As the seeds growing, radicle produces the first root, which is called primary root. As soon as your seed starts to grow, so radicle produces the first root, which is called primary root. Okay. Next is hypocotyle, which is also called epicotyle. Hypocotyle produces the shoot of the baby plant. Hypocotyle produces the shoot of the baby plant. Means when the plant is in undergrowing condition. When the plant is in undergrowing condition, so the hypocotyle produces the shoot. So first of all, the shoot will be start to produce. Cotyledons give rise to a primary leaves. If the seeds have lack of endosperms, cotyledon is the main part and serves as the food storage for the seed. अगर किसी प्लांट में एंडोस्पर्म से कॉटिलीडन नहीं होगा तो they will serve as a main part and the food storage of the seed. So what will they do? They will store food under their seeds for plant growth, to help the plant to grow. Some seeds only have one seed. Those seeds which have only one seed, they are called monocotyledons and monocots also. And the seeds having two leaves are called dicotyledons or dicots also. See, next is the picture of monocot and dicot. Look at the picture. Monocot has only one seed. Okay, monocot have only one seed, and dicot, you can see in that picture that dicot have two seeds. That why mono means one and di means two. That's why we called it monocotyledons and dicotyledons. So monocotyledons have only one seed and dicotyledons have two seeds. Clear, class? Now I am going to share a short documentary video along with you, which will help you to understand more about this topic. Clear, class? जी, yes beta. Who is Moto E4? Let me know your name.
Right.
Zahir. How are you, Zahir?
Yes.
You are able to hear me, Zahir?
Yes.
Okay, Zahir. What do you want to ask, beta?
Nothing, teacher.
So, I am going to share a video along with you, class. Just look at the video. और अगर आप लोग को आवाज़ नहीं आ रही हो तो प्लीज़ मुझे चैट बॉक्स में कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट मैसेज कर दीजिएगा.
Structure of seed and then to grade and curriculum. But before we jump into this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell along with the thumbs up button so you will never miss another video. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. Today we are going to be discussing about three main parts seedlings. So you can see over here these plant like tiny structures, also known as baby plant or embryo. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you liked it, enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching.
So everyone, please unmute your mics. Everyone, unmute your mics.
Teacher, please tell me
Okay.
embryo 5.
Now, if you want to ask any question, so ask your question one by one. But before it, open in your book from page number 38. Do you have your science book right now?
Yes.
Do you have your science book right now, class?
Yes.
Okay. Open page number. Open
No, teacher.
page number 38 from your book. Page number.
Please tell me parts of embryo.
Page number 38 from your book. What do you want to ask? Who is speaking?
Miss.
I'm going to mute your mics again, and if you want to ask any question, just raise your hand. Then I will mute your mic one by one. Okay. What do you want to ask? Just raise your hand. Then I will mute your mic. Unmute your mic. From page number 38. Page number 38. There is a diagram of structure of seed. You can see that in your books. Page number 38. Diagram of structure of seed. Diagram of structure of seeds. Kindly open in your books. So draw this diagram in any rough copy and in any paper. Do practice of this diagram. Structure of seed in any rough copy and any paper. Where you want to do. Okay. So this is your homework. आमना आप कह रही हैं कि आपकी बुक फट गई है. Okay, I will share a picture with you. सही है? And Humaira Iqbal said that she do not have his science book. Okay, Humaira, I will also share a picture with you. So don't worry about if you have internet, so you can also see the diagram structure of seed from Google and also do practice from it. So don't worry about if you don't have your book, go to Google and write down the structure of seed. You will see so many diagram structure of seed. You can draw it from there. Okay. So I'm going to unmute all your mic. If you want to ask any question, so please ask one by one. Don't create panic. See. Yes, Asghar. But I will ask one by one. Asghar, what do you want to ask?
मिस वो वीडियो में कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया, उसके अंदर कुछ आवाज ही नहीं आई.
आपने अपना हेडफोन हटाए थे?
Yes, मिस इसके अंदर कोई आवाज ही नहीं आई.
अच्छा, I will share a link of video in WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And Rafael, do you want to ask anything?
No.
आपको समझ आया लेक्चर?
Yes.
Abdullah Farhan. Abdullah
What is the
Farhan.
homework?
Sorry,
Teacher, what is the homework?
I'm not able to hear you, Abdullah. What do you want to ask me?
Teacher, what is the homework?
Beta, chat में write message in chat box. I am able to hear you.
Yes, he was saying what is the homework?
What is the? बेटा आपकी तरफ से बहुत आवाज आ रही, मुझे सही समझ नहीं आ रहा. मैसेज कीजिए आप.
Homework,
मैसेज कीजिए मुझे. Aryan, what do you want to ask? Why your cameras are closed? Keep your cameras open. मुंतहा 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 मोहम्मद दानिश आमना अमसाल यस आमना
Miss, page number 38.
सॉरी
Page number is 38.
बेटा मुझे मैसेज कीजिए आप लोग, ठीक है? मुझे आप लोगों की आवाज़ बिल्कुल भी क्लियर नहीं आ रही है। तो मैं कहती हूँ वन बाय वन पूछिए, रुक जाइए। जी आमना
Miss,
पूछिए।
page number is 38.
जी
Page number is 38.
पेज नंबर 38 फ्रॉम बुक and who is asking a question? Humaira. Yes, Humaira. Humaira.
Yes, Miss.
Do you not have your book?
Yes.
If you do not have your book, beta, I will share a picture on WhatsApp group so you can pick your picture with that group. Okay?
Okay.
So don't worry about it.
Okay.
And Sinan. Sinan.
Teacher, I want to know 5 parts of embryo.
5 parts of.
Embryo.
Sorry, Sinan, I am unable to hear you, beta.
5 parts of embryo.
Parts of embryo.
Yes.
Yes, there are 3 parts of embryo. Main parts. Radical.
There were 5 parts. My one is left only.
Radical. Okay, you will text me in WhatsApp group. I will explain you over there. Okay. And anyone want to ask? Mubashir. Mubashir. Mubashir, do you want to ask anything?
हाँ मैं कह रहा था मेरे पास मुझे बुक नहीं है.
Okay, I will share picture with you, class. Don't worry about. If you don't have your book, I will share pictures. So don't worry about it. Just let's see the. So time is up, class. Next week, inshallah, I will conduct a quiz regarding structure of seeds. So do practice of this diagram, and I will also share a video link along with you. So I will conduct a quiz regarding structure of seed. So do practice in these days. I will conduct a quiz on Monday, Tuesday, maybe. So take care yourself, class. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Allah Hafiz.